Dear students, welcome in Jazzwords Computer Lecture Online. 8th class chapter number 3, Spreadsheets in Excel. Introduction to Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a computer application which is used to display data in multiple cells, usually in a two-dimensional matrix or grid consisting of rows and columns. Each cell contains numeric or non-numeric data, formulae or functions. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a computer program used to enter, analyze, and calculate data for record keeping. It stores and presents data in rows and columns. Data can easily be entered, modified, and deleted from it. It performs mathematical calculations and projections based on data entered. Column spreadsheet uses include analysis, charting, and budgeting. The purpose of spreadsheets are used in different fields for a variety of purposes like accounting, budgeting, charting, graphing, financial analysis, and scientific applications. Spreadsheet is used to store and maintains data in a tabular form, manipulate and calculate data by using various functions and formulae, perform complex mathematical calculations, recalculate formula automatically whenever a value is changed or modified, create charts, graphics to represent data, process and display needed information by sorting and filtering entries according to established criteria. Spreadsheet software. Excel. Excel is one of the popular and commonly used spreadsheet software. Excel can be used from home to professional level to perform calculations on data, creating mailing lists, and creating budgets. A workbook and worksheet. What is the difference between a workbook and a worksheet? A workbook is a file created by Excel spreadsheet application. Excel workbook consists of spreadsheet pages, each of which can include separate data. MS Excel 2007 workbook is stored with extension XLSX. One workbook may contain many worksheets. Worksheet, also known as a spreadsheet, is a single page in workbook. It is a collection of cells on a single sheet where user keeps and manipulates the data. Same as we have a computer book. Computer book is a workbook and pages are worksheets. So this is the difference between workbook and worksheet. It is the introduction to spreadsheet in Excel. So next we will further study about the Excel application windows and components of the windows, and so many other topics in this chapter. So stay home, stay safe, God bless you, keep studying. Thank you.